In this video, I will show you how to use the Excel count function along with some examples and important things to remember while using it. So let's get started. The Excel count function returns the count of cells that contain numbers within the list of supplied arguments. We can supply multiple arguments to the count function in the form of cell references, ranges, or even hard-coded values. We can supply a maximum of 255 arguments to this function. In this example, the count function returns 3 as it counts numeric cells only and ignores cells containing text. Instead of hard-coded values, we can also specify cell range to the count function like this. This count formula will return the number of numeric values in the range of B3 to B7. In this example, the count formula will return 5 as it also counts cells containing negative numbers and decimal numbers. Empty or blank cells are not included in the count, as we can see from this example. If any cell contains a formula that returns a number, it will be counted by the count function. However, any formula returning an empty string or text value will not be counted by the count formula, as we can see from this example. Since date, time, and percentage values are treated as numbers in Excel, the count function counts them as well. For example, in this cell range, the count formula will return 3. Watch this video to learn how to create a hyperlink to a specific cell in another sheet in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.